Hello friends, welcome to the world of MST blockchain. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to complete our KYC using the referral link. So let's get started. Now go to WhatsApp or your email and click on the referral link provided by your introducer. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to the page shown on the screen. Here you will see the KYC form. Fill in your details carefully. Make sure to remember the password you enter here. Enter the mobile number you would like to register with MST. Now carefully enter the CAPTCHA shown below. Check the box that says, "I have read the terms and conditions and cancellation policy." Finally, click on Register. Click Save for the email and password you entered in the KYC form earlier, so your system can remember them. Now we have reached the verification process. Make sure to have your Aadhaar card and PAN card ready, and click on the Complete Verification option. Enter your Aadhaar card number here. Now carefully enter the CAPTCHA shown below. Click on the Send OTP option. The OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. Click on the Submit option. After submitting, you will see a success message in the top right corner. Enter your PAN card number and click on the Submit option. Congratulations! Your KYC verification process has been completed successfully. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.